1 2 1 2. All right, man. Here we go, man. We got a club car here, and you can see this switch right here, maintenance operation. I'm gonna show you what that means. When you turn the key on, put it in neutral, then you put it in operation mode. When you hit the gas, nothing happens. All right. So then, if you wanted to speed the car up, or you wanted to just crank it up neutral, trying to charge the battery, you flip it to maintenance mode, and you crank it up. Now, I'm gonna show you how to test voltage back at the switch on the rear end, which is what it's for. So we're gonna put it in maintenance mode. We're putting the black lead of the meter on the main negative, coming back here. Opening this up, gonna pull this black cover off here. Yours probably got a rivet in it, like this. Like we just take it and pull it and it comes off. So what we're gonna do, got the voltmeter here. And we're putting it, like you always do, you put it on V with a straight line, which is volts DC. Also, man, we got another page here. This is a new page we're starting. I got another page called Golf Cart Whisperer. If you got any problems, this is just our second page we're gonna make. So we'll hope everybody comes here like they do there, man. All right, we'll be back to it. So what we're gonna do, put the red lead. We'll put the red lead inside. The red wire here. Let's see what it is. All right, we'll put the red lead inside here. Can adjust it? There you go. Oh, you can adjust it. All right, where's it at? Inside of here, in your red wire. You can see you have no voltage on the meter. Then we're gonna put it in the white wire. You can see we got 0.82. And I'm gonna put it inside the black wire. And you have black and purple. Have nothing. So I'm gonna go up here and flip the switch. I'm gonna flip it to operation. And what should happen is voltage should be on these two wires instead of this one. So let's see. Yep, 46. 46. All right, so that tells you the switch is doing good. Now, if you do this right here, 46, I'm gonna take it, activate this switch like I'm putting it in gear. And you can see right, nothing happens there. Put it there in the middle, activate the switch on the rear end, nothing, that's good. And then we're going back here to the black and purple wire. We'll activate the switch. All right, when you activate the switch, that one there dies out, because when you put it in gear, what it's going to do is push the voltage from here, I'm gonna say, back to this wire here. Let's see what it does. Nope. All right, let's see if it pushes 0.86 here. All right, so what? All right, good. So what it does when you put it in gear, how you can tell, I'm gonna go put it in gear. Tell me what it does. No, just here. Tell me what it does. I'm gonna put it in gear. I'm going forward.
0.82.
Huh?
0.82.
All right, how about now?
0, 0, 0.
All right, so it died down, right?
Yep.
All right, how about now?
0.82.
All right, so that tells you how to check it right there. That's how you know it's doing its job. If a cart don't run in neutral, or if it doesn't run in forward, if you look down here, there, Jay, see that micro switch there? Where my voltmeter lead at? Right here, if you get this, you see the micro switch right there? Is it?
Yep.
All right, there's your micro switch. All right, you can see the plug here. These are bad for pulling the wire out the harness. All right, so always it's zip tied right here. Always take the zip tie off. Make sure that all wires connection. Then if that don't do it, check it. And when you have it in neutral, you can hear it click. When I put it in forward, show me don't click there. When I put it forward, I'm gonna put it forward. Show them that it clicks. Got it? right now it should be engaged.
All right, click it.
All right, in reverse, it ought to engage it too, right?
Yep.
All right. That's what it should do. If you have one that don't crank up, always check that, man, because they're really bad. They're really bad in the wires. But all right, man, remember 1 2 1 2.
1 2.